Yep. Oh my god! Holy shit! Oh my god! Holy cow! Oh, I need one of those. Holy cow. Oh man. Wow. I don't know if my brain can work that quick though.
It takes a while.
I bet. Must be really good at video games. Jeez. The thing corners like... Nicely done, sir. Holy crap.
And it like self-writes, huh?
What do you mean?
Well, I mean like
you gotta write it your damn self.
And are you like you seeing those trees that you're coming close to?
Hell yeah.
This is what he's seeing right here.
He better be.
So it could just, I mean, if you didn't do something, it would fall out of the sky.
Oh yeah.
You're like an ace with that thing, man.
Hey, that
Good
is
work.
cool.
That's cool, man. Thanks for letting us check that
Thanks
out.
for the demonstration.
Have a good day.
Peace, guys.
What a badass.
Yay!
That's awesome.
That makes my month.
Hell yeah.